How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Seth Julian. Welcome you to today's morning coffee briefing. We are looking at the price of West Texas Intermediary light crude oil futures. This is the world benchmark for crude oil. In the last 26 days, it's up 20.5%. That's a tremendous rise in any asset, actually, but certainly one as crucial to the world economy as oil. Now, I want to focus in a little bit on what happened last Thursday at the OPEC meeting. We anticipated that they would bend somewhat to the U.S. pressure, or the Biden administration pressure, to raise output. And they did, by 200,000 barrels a day. And this is above the 400,000 barrel a day increase that they agreed to last August, last summer, when supply and demand were really out of whack, when the world was taking off in a robust recovery phase. And so they decided to increase their output by 400,000 barrels per day per month. So, in essence, let's take a look at the numbers. It's simple statistics. They increased from 400,000 to 600,000. On its face, that's a 50% increase above their announcement. But take it in context, it's literally a drop in the bucket. It's 0.5% of world demand. If we round up the numbers and assume world demand is about 100 million barrels a day, 600,000 barrels of oil increase a month is literally trivial. And certainly when we look at the size of the Russia's apportionment of that supply, which is coming off the market slowly but surely, this means nothing. Therefore, it's basic supply and demand economics. When the supply of a good decreases and demand remains stable, price is going to increase, particularly for something as inelastic as crude oil, meaning a good whose price is inelastic means the same amount will be consumed relatively regardless of its price increase or decrease. It's not sensitive to price increase. So there we have it. It's a pretty straightforward story. We're going with the next price level we're looking at is 125. It's now 119. It's going to hit 120, 125 soon, and from there on, sky's the limit with this. So fasten your seatbelts. It's going to get interesting from here on out. This is your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.